Hi, I'm Catherine Rod. I'm with the Bayer Crop Science Gothenburg Water Utilization Learning Center, and today we just want to do a quick little refresher on how to growth stage corn. And so we'll start with the corn plants that we have right here. So the important thing to remember when growth staging corn is that you want to count the number of collars on a developed leaf for your growth stage. And so for example, we'll start here at the bottom leaf. Even though it is a curved tip, it still counts. And so this one has a fully developed collar here where the leaf moves away from the stem. So it's 1. Another developed collar is here on 2. And we have a last developed collar here on 3. And so this corn plant is a V3 growth stage. We do not count this leaf yet because it does not have a fully developed leaf collar. So this is a V3 corn plant. And the rest of the corn plants in our row, for the most part, are also at the V3 stage. An important thing to remember when growth staging a field is that 50% or more of the plants have to be at that growth stage or above. Hope this was helpful. Today we want to do a quick little refresher on early season soybean growth stages. And so the row that I'm in currently with this soybean field is at that first growth stage, which is a VE growth stage. So these soybeans have emerged within the past 24 hours, so it's a little early for that true VE growth stage, but this is a great example of what it would look like. So the next growth stage of soybean growth stages is the VC growth stage. And the identifying factor of that growth stage is the development of the unifoliate leaves on the soybean plant. And so for example, these 2 leaves here, they're 1 leaf on each petiole and they're opposite of each other, is the unifoliate set of leaves for this soybean plant. And so this soybean plant is at a VC growth stage. So the next growth stage is the V1 growth stage. And at this point, as we go up V1, V2, V3, we're going to be counting the number of trifoliates that the soybean plant has, okay? And so this right here is a very good example of a trifoliate. It has the 3 leaves and they are fully expanded and not touching each other. And so with this soybean plant here, this is a V1 soybean growth stage. So a reminder for growth staging a field is that you need 50% or more of the plants at that growth stage. And so here in this soybean row, 50% of these plants are not at that V1 growth stage because that first trifoliate is not fully expanded. So technically this row of soybeans would still be at that VC stage.
Thanks for watching this video from the Gothenburg Water Utilization Learning Center. For more information, please call 308-537-4500.